One thing that I love to talk about is the first family. In the language, we say dia makanak. That's the first family. And for anybody that doesn't know what the first family is, when I talk about the first family, I'm not talking about the president's family. When I talk about the first family, I'm kind of, but not really talking about my mom or my brothers and my sisters. When I talk about the first family, I'm talking about creation all around us. When I talk about the first family, I'm talking about the animals. I'm talking about the insects. I'm talking about the wind. I'm talking about the rocks. I'm talking about the trees and all those beautiful medicines out there. That's the first family. In our stories, we are a part of creation. We are. And you can see that whenever we look around, look at patterns in nature. We have those same patterns in our body. We come from the two-legged nation. The two-legged nation are the human beings. And I consider the way that I've been taught, all human beings from around the world, we're all part of that family. And we're all family. When you look at the two-legged people, or the two-legged nation, we both have two eyes. We all have ears. We all have hair. We are so much alike. We really are. It's incredible how many differences we love to put up amongst each other. So when I talk about the Anishinaabe, not only am I talking about the Ojibwe people, I'm talking about all people. All people. And the first family, Dia Makanak, has always been there to take care of us. Look at the language. Look at even one word for rock. We say asinak or asinik. Asinek, the way that you break down the language is when we actually address a rock, it has a spirit. It's within the language. It's not an inanimate object. Our language shows that it's a being. It has spirit. So just trying to get everybody into the context of the Anishinaabe worldview that I've been taught and how I look at creation. Because we're such a part of it. And there's come to be such a disconnection from that. The way that the Western methodologies of thinking, we think that we're on the top of this pyramid. And the rest of creation is kind of below that. When in actuality, we're just a part of it. There's a word in the language that I've been taught, nankumakasinekwe, under the earth rock woman, also known as Mother Earth. Mother Earth, that is the mother of creation. She takes care of us every single day. Every single day. She'll nurture us. She'll watch over us. She'll protect us. She'll let all of the wonderful things of creation nurture us and protect us. The mother of creation loves her children so much. When we first woke up this morning, we don't even think about it. Everybody that's out there, just take a breath and breathe out. All of creation is working to produce that air, produce that oxygen. We do it without even thinking. Take another breath. Breathe out. It's such a beautiful gift. The Great Lakes is an amazing area. It's one of the biggest deposits of fresh water in the world. So what a gift that we have that beautiful water to drink. So amazing. This is one of my favorite seasons, the spring, because we watch creation wake up around the Great Lakes. If you look outside now, it wasn't like this about 3 weeks ago. I'm in Toronto, but if I look outside, everything just popped. There's so much greenery. Creation woke up. The flowers are coming back. It's beautiful. It nurtures me. It really helps me. Creation is so beautiful. It's such a beautiful interwoven system. And we have to, I can only speak for myself, but I have to learn how to respect that and to be connected to that and to honor that. The first family, Dia Makanak. We are a part of this greater system of creation, of this bigger family. Think of our bodies. We are made up of, I don't know the exact number, it's almost between 75 and 80% water. When you look at the world, It's almost the exact same ratio that's covered with water. It's the same as us. We are mostly water. We are made up of that first family. When you look at our veins take these patterns of self-repetition. There's these patterns that are ingrained within our RNA and our DNA that come from creation, that show. When you look at river systems and deltas, how fresh water breaks into the ocean, it'll take these same patterns. When you look at tree roots, you'll see those same patterns running through creation. They're in us. We are made up of that. When you look at our brainstem in the back of our head, look at a picture of a brainstem. It looks like a cedar tree. Nokemes kishikatik, grandmother tree, cedar tree. We have a cedar tree in the back of our head. We have river systems flowing through our bodies. We are made up of water, these minerals that were formed within supernovas light years away from us. We are made up of everything in creation. That's the first family. Insects, rocks, water, minerals, birds, humans, bears. We're all a part of that family.